seats for when there's a football game. They store them in the parking lot. Watch out, buddy. It's parking lot. You don't get hurt. Alright, so 204 is going to be down this way. Gonna be gone soon. At least you say you've seen it. A lot of World Series will play now. Alright, here we are. Oakland Coliseum. Probably the last time I'll be here. And probably the last or second last season here for the A's. So, been here once before. First time for the kids, so let's see what's up for the game today.
No.
Oh yeah.
Take a face. Mommy.
Oh, you want it the other way?
Yeah. Say cheese.
Well, you have to move your fingers out from the lenses.
Say cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Say cheers, guys.
Hit the field.
At this wet,
We'll take a picture. Here, hold it with your hand.
and Harry's. Mommy, I want to see the big one.
Your attention, please. Now pitching for the Athletics, number 50. Now batting the catcher, number 12, Connor Wong.
Torelli cap. Uh-oh. Dad likes that. Dad's gonna see this now. Look at my dirty undies in it.
How are you going to save that as a souvenir?
I can like. I'm not Mama, I'm Dada.
Do it again. Do it again. Mama!
I'm not Mama, I'm Dada.
Do it again.
I'm Dada.